Hi, everybody. We are learning You Are the Sunshine of My Life in our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam for intermediate and advanced level players. We're in the key of C. It has a Latin feel. We're going a little under tempo at 120 beats per minute. This is a bare bones play and sing along video. We're going to be adding lots of thrills and lots of frills during our next session. Starting note C. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. You are the sunshine of my life. That's why I'll always be around. You are the apple of my eye. Forever you'll stay in my heart. I feel like this is the beginning. Though I've loved you for a million years, and if I thought our love was ending, I'd find myself drowning in my own tears. Whoa, you are the sunshine of my life. That's why I'll always be around. You are the apple of my eye. Forever you'll stay in my heart. You must have known that I was lonely. That's why you came to my rescue. And I know that this must be heaven. How could so much love be inside of you? Whoa, you are the sunshine of my life. That's why I'll always be around. You are the apple of my eye. Forever you'll stay